Ingutu here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I'd like to say a big thank you to all of the subscribers that I have. Thank you for watching the videos that I make and for commenting and for liking. Like I always say, you guys are the MVPs. I have a really short mini haul to show you. I went to the NYX store. I was just passing by while I was doing stuff that moms do when they're doing them, and I noticed that they had a discount. I needed something, so I didn't just see the discount and say, oh yeah, let me go into the store. No, I needed something, and so I went into the store and I found that just like a few other things were cheaper, and I got two other things. In total, I spent about 20 euros. So very quickly, I got some of that I'm going to use mixed with something else that I already own. And then two eyeshadow colors. I'll leave descriptions or links to the products in the description box, and you can see them for yourself. But I'm really excited about my little haul. I don't have eyeshadow anymore because the one I had sort of like fell and broke into 1,000 little pieces, like the casing, so it wasn't really feasible to keep it around because it was sipping into my makeup bag. And then I have like a tone of foundation that I got from MAC, and I just recently learned that it looked orange on me. Nobody told me that. I've been wearing it for months, and then a makeup artist I recently met just told me, this looks a little bit orange on you. So I got this makeup that I just showed you, this foundation, full coverage, just to sort of like blend it and mix it. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, just like maybe a little powder just to like kill the shine, because it's first of all, it's really hot, and I had like since I was out and about, I do have sunscreen, so I don't just, so instead of like looking like white and oily in front of you, I don't even think I've gotten rid of it. Anyway, I'm rambling. I just wanted to show you the few things that I got, that are not many, and also just give you a quick glimpse into the NYX store in Bilbao. They were very nice. They attended to me, and yes, they had the 60% discount. And their staff will attend to you in English if you need to, because I don't really know the terms or expressions or things exactly, first of all, generally in English. And so if we spoke Spanish, I would be totally lost. But anyways, the girl who attended to me was very nice. And yeah, you can just see the quick clip that I made of the store right after this, and you won't see me again. So anyways, if you do watch that clip till the end, or this whole video till the end, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. You guys are awesome, and I keep saying, you are the MVPs. Without you, most valuable players in the development of this YouTube channel and growth of it. Yeah, so you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. I really like having big hair. All right then, bye bye.